Hello viewers, welcome to TechStream. In this video, we will see how to remove unwanted options from Grub bootloader. The Grub bootloader lists Ubuntu, Windows 7 and Advanced Ubuntu option. We mostly won't use all the options listed in the Grub bootloader. First, we boot Ubuntu operating system. Once we booted our Ubuntu operating system, we need to remove some codes from Grub configuration file. To make changes in this file, we need root permission. So we are going to open File Explorer with the full of root access. In Ubuntu, there is a tool called Nautilus to open File Explorer with full root access. This tool comes pre-installed with Ubuntu distros. In other distros, if we don't have Nautilus, we can install it by typing apt-get install Nautilus in terminal. Let's type sudo nautilus, then we will enter root password. Now we opened the File Explorer with full root permission. We will go to root directory, then we'll enter into boot directory. Inside boot there is a folder grub. Inside the grub folder there is a file grub.configuration. To take backup, we will just copy it and we will paste it in documents. In case if we delete any wrong code from the grub configuration file, we can restore this backup file to restore the settings. Now from the grub folder, we will open the grub configuration file. We will scroll all the way down where we start to see a line starts with menu entry. In this menu entry line, inside single quotes, the word Ubuntu is there. This is the Ubuntu option that we are seeing in the Grub bootloader. This code starts from the open curly braces to the closed curly braces. We will leave this code part as it is. Then we have sub menu states advanced option for Ubuntu. Inside this option we have 3 more options select from. In the Grub bootloader, if we select advanced option for Ubuntu, then there will be 3 options will come. The first menu entry starts from open curly braces to the closed curly braces. We will delete all this part. Then we will remove next menu entry code. Now we have deleted all the unwanted menu entry lines. And also we will remove this sub menu from the Grub bootloader. Then in menu entry we have option Windows 7. As the Windows 7 operating system is installed in our machine, we will leave this line as it is to boot our Windows operating system. Once we removed, we can save the changes. Now we successfully edited the Grub configuration file. We restart our machine to see the changes. Now in the Grub bootloader, only Ubuntu and Windows 7 options are listed. I hope this video is useful. We'll meet with more useful videos in our channel.